with my day. I normally finish at like 4:30. If I start at 8:30, you know, it gives a good 7.5 hours, but I'm done for today. It is, I think, 4:40-ish. And yeah, so we're gonna unwind together. I hope you're ready. I know you haven't seen my office very often, but let me show you my office actually. So basically, I've started to brew the idea of having an office a long time ago, because when we moved here, it was an office, but then it turned into a bedroom. It had this idea of having a single colored wall with the rest being white. So that's exactly what I did. I got this beautiful forest green. I'm obsessed. I'm still obsessed to this day. It's been 3 years almost, and I'm obsessed. And then I bought a bookshelf, well, a lot of thing shelves. And I bought this beautiful chair. It was like $150, and this table was actually a table that we already had. My sister, she moves a lot, and this table was not used anymore, so she gave it to us, and I repurposed it as an office table. And then I have this huge plant. I need to water it. I literally need to water it. Is there water here? Here we go, baby. It needs some more. And let me show you my bookshelf, because why not? So this is my bookshelf. There's a lot of things. Honestly, I need to make a little bit of a cleaning session because I just throw everything. I started off with putting this vase from IKEA. Love it. It's so cute. These are my little trophies that I got from high school. I bought this little bin for my all the shenanigans, all the pens, all the highlighters, all the scotch tapes, you know. And I have a lot of erasers. I used to eat my erasers literally because I never found them. This is my old pencil case, paper here, and then these are my books. I have a lot more. They're just like all over the place in my home, but I've placed my favorite ones here. So I have a Spanish dictionary. I should read it. I should just read 1 page per day so that I learn new words. I think I might do this. Then I have my Pisces book, Milk and Honey, the 1 and the 2. In 5 years, I love this book. I am obsessed with this book. The Spanish Love Deception, The Love Hypothesis, The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. It Ends With Us, of course. I need to read the prequel. And then this is a book I've read jadis, a long time ago. Diary of a Wimpy Kid, of course. One True Love's so good as well. Sapiens, love it. I need to finish the second one, which is Homo Deus. I have Hilroy, little notebooks here. I have notepads, agendas, and these are all my like books for my school. I have anatomy books, biology, concentration books, so like you might not know, calculus, organic chemistry. I've been through it all. Microbiology. I feel like it's gonna fall. That was my little tour. The rest of my office is kind of boring, you know, like it's not really cute furniture, but I can show you still. So I have this rolling rack for filming. You've seen this. I usually film things in this area or this area. Yeah. And these are my clothes that I want to sell. If you want to check them out, they're on my Poshmark. Then I have this little corner. It's the printer. That's my little bureau. I literally broke my freaking my freaking blinds. I don't know what I did. The mechanism is literally you pull it down and then you push it up and it's supposed to stay up, but it's just not working. Like the mechanism is just broken. So I've been living with the crooked blind and one that's working. So I need to go to IKEA. So today I'm thinking about maybe cleaning a little bit my closet. I have taken out the clothes that I didn't want. I can show you the little clip here. Out with the old, in with the new, baby. Well, hello you guys. I'm going to film my process of decluttering my closet to get new clothes I needed to get rid of some. This vest, I love this vest. Well, I used to love this vest actually. All right, this one is up. It's just perfect. It's gonna be a treasure to somebody else. I literally have way too long legs for these jeans. So cute. These pants, houndstooth, very cute for like office, you know, very elastic, very comfortable. Joggers, these Nike joggers for cutie offices, casual chic, you know. Ralph Lauren top, very simple with the little Ralph Lauren thingy. I'm just way too tall for this dress. But yeah, I haven't like reorganized it and just like cleaned it out a bit. So it's looking still a little bit jam-packed. I think the best way to do it is just to pull everything down and start folding back, right? I have this. Definitely tired, but so good. Anywho. Look at how cute these are. My sister got them from Thailand and I just found two of them. This one has like every single like money that I have from all around the world, which is so funny. I have a lot of euros. I don't know why I was hiding them. Why did I do that? So useful. So I'm gonna keep these very close to me and bring this with me to Portugal. Did I even tell you where I'm going? I'm going to Portugal, guys, for 2 weeks this summer. Actually in like 70-ish days. In a couple of months. Woo! So let's do this. Would you look at that? It's so much better. I've repurposed the basket that I received from my beautiful gift, and I put clothes that were overstacked in the basket, and it changes everything. So now I'm going to start my PowerPoint presentation for my internship project that I have to present in less than a month. Afterwards, I'm a bachelorette. I have my bachelor's degree. Well, I'm done with all my credits, so they might as well give it to me because I know I'm gonna pass. So I'm gonna do that, and yeah. So it's been a while. I've been working on my presentation. I'm still at like slide 6. I'm such a perfectionist, but this is just the first draft. So I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. I'm literally working on it on my office laptop because for some reason the PowerPoint add-ins and like options are different from my Mac to my office laptop. So I'm gonna start with my office laptop and then finish with my Mac with the icons and all my aesthetically pleasing things. So I'm gonna show you what I'm at right now, where I'm at right now. I don't want to brag, but I feel like I got secret, not so secret anymore, skills with PowerPoint. Just saying, but look at it. So this is my presentation. First off, let me start with this. It starts like this and then this. The theme here is purple, pink, you know. I feel like I'm gonna change this one. Maybe add less, well, take off text and add little icons. Here I like this. It's a little, it's small, you know. Maybe I'll change the font. I'm not sure about that. And the introduction, I'm almost done. As you can see, the font is all over the place. I like the two first ones. And then the objectives, I like it too. But then the rest, I'm just dabbling. I'm trying things, you know. I will have to prep my lunch for tomorrow because I'm going to the office tomorrow. So I'm eating pasta. I'm gonna boil pasta. My mother did the little sauce. So yeah. I'm currently watching as well, queen of multitasking. I'm watching Scandal. I'm late to the game, but now I'm watching it. I'm on season 5, episode 9, and it's so good. It's so good. Really good series. Washed my face before going to bed. I wanted to do a mask because why the hell not, you know. I'm going to be doing the gold mask with the gold foil that I received for my birthday, and I'm gonna put ginseng hydro eye underneath it, and I'm gonna chill out for a little bit because I'm a stressed out person and I need to chillax just a little bit. And while my mask is masking, I was thinking about like pulling 2 or 3 cards and answering them live. If you don't know, the game is called We're Not Really Strangers. I really like it, but I haven't been playing a lot, so it's a practice, you know. So, oh my god, this isn't it so cute? Hi. Now that I look quite scary and I can barely move my face, I'm ready to open this game and answer to one of these cards. If you don't know, it's a chill night. Don't hold this footage against me. If you screenshot this right now, you're going to jail. First one is, what question are you trying to answer most in your life right now? I would say I'm trying to answer the question of what will my life be like? Right now I'm in like this weird phase where I literally need to have faith and wait for whatever is going to happen with my life to happen, because I've done the work. All I'm doing right now is wait because I am not in control. So right now I'm trying to answer a question I don't have control over, which is always so fun, you know. My 20s are literally 20ing right now. Has a stranger ever changed your life? I feel like a lot of strangers change your life. Like, it's just a matter of one conversation. It's just a matter of one action that changes your life. I mean, the freaking nurse who helped my mother deliver me changed my whole life. The doctor who did that changed my whole life as well. Like, I feel like strangers in general change your life, no matter how small that change is. And you gotta be grateful about it every single time. I don't have a specific one in mind, but it's just a beautiful thing to think that every single person on this earth could change your entire life and you have no idea. And I just can't wait to see what's in store, you know. I'm done with Scandal. Like, I've been watching episodes. Like, I've watched like 6 today. But I'm gonna read my book. I'm gonna show you which one I'm reading. Right now I am reading, oh my god, I'm scary. Guys, Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so satisfying. But yeah, as I was saying, I'm reading Heart Bones. I'm gonna read this. I'm not far along, honestly. I'm at page 38. It's starting to get there, you know. The first 100 pages are normally a little bit like contextual, you know. Can't wait to read more on it. And yeah, I think I'm gonna leave you here because you've seen me in a lot of stages. Thank you for chilling with me. Thank you for having an unwinding kind of afternoon. I realized that you need to romanticize your life just a little bit more. Even though you're doing the most normal things, romanticize it. I will leave you guys on that note. Good night, guys, or good morning, wherever you're watching this video. And yeah, I'm curious. Comment down below where you're from. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.